friend me Ajua searching Mesrel. Now wa subscribe to my channel. Me notification bell also for more news.
I want him asem bi so ayesere. Nipa no bi so ye mi huyanka. Ye wo bi ni wo ha. Enei omanto aba I can tell you say ni mu onu hu. No onu hu no nya se bi aba na okoto na ebufuo wo. Na mom oman susu say defeat no. Ebeye so humiliating say. It just akwa to say me bo food here.
Yes.
Asem to kra na ento. De mom se ni asem no tu si fa na fe wa be mbobo.
Aye o bibi sa pa.
E no na sisi e koso asante region.
O na nya yi kwa ba bibi to na be hu se.
Be say MPP for mo asante ni o man to aba. Omo me sympathizers of MPP. Senior resource no starting say abedu. Any parliament no kra no. Omo ra ho. But akwa to say me huyanka. That is the situation in most NPP base. They are not jubilating. Even I can tell you, Afafran talk for Krano, Omo en jubilating. Afafran talk for because Omo yo party now. It is like party no call first time in Parliament 96. There are two NPP no. I can tell you. Almost said that here Parliament is because in any law, a more dua party be best or personal or here 2/3 majority. NDC as I speak with you, Ekuta 188 call 189. 2/3 majority 184 or 5 were now between their 10 PP. And I know Deputy Secretary Bande also many votes into a motion say. Omuko Parliament 5 na actually no. Omeka chom so omuko join the MPP. This is the humiliating part of MPP as it stands now. Omo dam na donkom as say ombetimi asore waka. Eno Shabre ne bechere. Grabia ne bechere. Mami ti anope.
Oman Yankopon ensha opa anope
to na ba ma NDC Enra na me di nkomo. Mesere kra. Enra na me ne ma me di nkomo. Ena oba na obeji phone no. Ena oka say, "Hey Felix, we dey wenya me." Ena me say aden. O see this time there for the first time no meto aba. E dia my MPP. Na me say, "Hey mommy wo." O say ayin. And then obeto aba my MPP o say she. Me ma phone no
ba ni NDC ni.
But just say,
there's a Juabani, NDC.
That's my stepmom. That's my mom.
And I'm sorry, NDC.
On your NDC ni, or MPP ni mapa. Or a delegate, my MPP. But na down for no. Me are down for, and I'm in didn't come.
Okay.
Ah, your friend, yes, Auntie Ajo. Or no, NDC ni, yo. And I'm not all catch them and say, hey, Felix, where they when me. I feel there, met to about my MPP. I'm say, hey, mommy, whoa. You know, say, I'm say, I dang, was, see a reason away. I'm like, lady, mammy. Or say, Nema for no, and no creso, you call me the man penny for no. Minim oba penny, no, minim do oba nechi. And a 2 nas, they say, okay, I'm sabako, yeah, carpenter was a den about so say, when ya was a oko. Now, some of catch them and they say, che. Afeya mebenya owas na me kamede na mebenya owas opoku ariako. Afeya meba penny ba into ono ne last born enyo owas. Neba penny owo no first so ba. I call agri girls. And I say now fellas pa afeya memeba enye bi no first na abana omoto no first no oto my NDC ba ono free education no ne ba bi anya ho faso. It's a failure no baba and uncle to about my NDC no mumetum. This is an NDC woman talking to me. Now me straight, but inside my mind and inside my heart no. Now me raho. Utie. Now me raho. Me ra na ho ne say. There are several NDC members Omonim pefe say enye free education and ko bi otumika abete effect ba ko grant free umfie. There are NDC mothers, fathers, parents whose children are enjoying free education fully. Yes, outside they will come and tell you that they are buying your. But deep down, when they go to the polls to vote, they will remember the future of their kids than what their political party is telling them. And unti when I cover sa panic win in eba. Now when no unim estemo from Fifi Kweta wodi na ade bi kire ye. Wodi ne iba na bi kire sisi a. E trend someone NDC for kan kane when enne ababak ya e hantium. Say how now be to me this video na to so a. Na ye read the wapa na no so. Na Fifi Kweta pa kire say Muslimi ni de ana obi ofri siremu de MPP anim pass obedi de oboa. To the point say Sami Jemfi I can be o say MPP for ye nipa bia enya ade a wo bema Bawumia chance even if Bawumia qualifies. This is what they said. Now the Fifi Kwete or say I have said it before and I'm saying it now. A Muslim cannot be president. Now that is where the whole thing is. Senior, the Amayanuanum Cramofoni Bibu Afu, a Binusu or dear, Ajana one, a Katahi, said Jimmy Semna, no more person. But the Muslims that have woken up, no, these are the kind of messages that are woken them up. Because, Chairman, Mepacho, are Muslims allowed to vote in Ghana?
Yeah, they are.
See, I'm right.
Are
Muslims allowed to vote in Ghana? Have Muslims voted in Ghana?
They have.
Have a Muslim ever voted for NDC?
Or they said a chunk of Muslims are voting for NDC.
How many Muslims has been given the mandate to be a flag bearer of NDC?
None.
None. Oh, there have been patrocian who call one governance guy.
None.
Senior. Asama American can.
Okay, Ebin see that I mentioned 1992 Rollins. By.
Yes. Okay.
Rollins, if you want Atamos, and will be take you over. Atamos, and a John Mama, and also be take you over. So these are the three people since 1992.
Which means, say, in the fourth Republican dispensation, we know. NDC for uncover Muslim in the Omanimuda.
Rollins was a Catholic man. He's
yes, of course, Catholic.